Welcome to Passlight Insights Academy.
So the third one now, we're having the third one in times of electron. WAEC focus. In times of electron, as you can see, the first one we have got one. Oxidation is the loss of electron. 2. Reduction is the gain. Is the gain of electron. So meaning that we can see the body now. This one is the loss of electron. This one is the gain of electron. Let's write an equation to actually back it up and see. What we call loss in chemistry is that it's far away from me. Probably you are that side and losing. But when something is closer to me, meaning that I've already gained that particular thing. In the sense that, let's write an equation. Our former equation sense that let's say equation for oxidation. They said loss. I'm having aluminium here. Loss. Then aluminium migrated to aluminium 3 plus. So here is 3 plus, here is 0. So if we are going to add electron, is always minus in chemistry. So if you are going to add that, will be 3 electron. 3 electron. As you can see here now, loss to be at this side. It is gain to be closer to me. The oxidation said what is the loss of electron. So let's go to equation for reduction. For reduction, if you have the equation for reduction now, reduction is the gain of electron. And gaining means that to move closer to me, to be closer to me. So if you have something like Cu2 plus, this is the charge here, plus 2. Then you want to balance, you have 2 electrons here. It's called Cu. This one is gain. So if you add it to the reactants, you are dealing with reduction. If you add it to the product, that is oxidation, that is loss. And how do I think E minus? Because electron is always minus. Anytime you see E minus, it means electron. So in terms of electron transfer, oxidation is the loss of electron, reduction is the gain of electron. With this expression, this one is 3 plus. We want to cancel it, but this one is 0 here. So 3 minus 3, you have 0. This one is 0 here, we're standing in low. 2 minus 2, you have 0 here. So, and lastly, the fourth definition that we're having is in times of oxidation number. In times of oxidation number. In times of oxidation number. Oxidation is the gain. Is the gain. As you can see now, it's easy to understand. Look at oxygen, the spelling, oxidation gain there. Oxidation number, oxidation is the gain of oxidation number. Is the gain of oxidation number. While reduction is the loss. Reduction is the loss of oxidation number. Oxidation number. So equation to back it up to in the exam. It's very easy. They told that oxidation is the gain, reduction is the loss. We can combine these two reactions together and let's see. The two reactions together, we can combine it together like aluminium plus Cu2 plus. Aluminium plus Cu2 plus ligated to aluminium 3 plus Cu. This one is having 2. But like I said, the electron must be balanced so you can add it up. Next video I will explain more on balancing of chemical reaction. So this one is 2, this one is 3. Meaning that you will start say by 2, this one by 3, but the reaction must be the same. So 2 times Al, you are having 2 Al. This one, 3 times Cu, you are having 3 Cu. 2 times Al plus, you are having, here is 2 Al 3 plus. 3 times C, you are having 3 Cu. Because the electron must be balanced before you can sum them up in chemistry. So let's use this to explain how oxidation is the gain of oxidation number and reduction is the loss of oxidation number. So if you have something like this, from aluminum here to aluminum here, my aluminum here is 0, no charge. My aluminum here is what? +3. So at times you used to use their coefficient to determine, but there is 2 here. If you want to use the 2, you have +6. So if you want to use the coefficient here 2, you have 0. So is 0 to +6, is it going up or going down? Is 0 to +6 going up? As you can see here, 0 to +2, +3, +4, they are going up. So that is oxidation. Oxidation. So if you're having something like this now, you're having something like this. The chart, what is that bracket? 3 + 2. That is 3 times +2, that is what? +6. As you can see, +6. Then on the other side, there always a 3, no charge, 0. That is 0 here. So +6 to 0, this one is going down. So that is reduction. Reduction. So let us now use this to explain. They told us that oxidation is the gain of oxidation number. Let's see. Oxidation here. Here I'm not having oxidation number. On the other side I'm having oxidation number. I've already gained oxidation number. Because this is what they call the oxidation number. Reduction here. This side I'm having oxidation number. On the other side I'm not having oxidation number. I've already lose oxidation number. So and lastly, that there are 5 definitions in oxidation and reduction that every student must take cognizance of it. The last one is in terms of electronegativity and electropositivity. Electronegativity and electropositivity. Electropositivity. So this is the 5th one. Here now, oxidation number 1. Oxidation is the gain of electronegativity. Electronegativity and the loss of electropositivity. Electropositivity. While number 2, reduction is the gain. Or let me just use loss so I don't know it's the loss of electronegativity. Electronegativity. And the gain of electropositivity. Electropositivity. So this is what we have in here now. I've got 1 and I've got 2. Oxidation is the gain of electronegativity and the loss of electropositivity. So let's hand it up. I can see that sodium is solid plus chlorine diatomic. They form sodium chloride, NaCl. As you can see here now. So sodium here, sodium is 0 here. On the other side is 1 because reacting. 0 here, here is 1. From 0 to 1, oxidation. So my chlorine here is standing alone. My chlorine here is 0. Here is reacting, here is -1. I've told you we've done that before. That our chlorine is -1. Anyway, see it when it's reacting. So it's 0 to -1 reduction. So we can now use that here now. Oxidation here. I gain negative. Is the gain. I'm plus here, but I gain negative to myself. That means oxidation is the gain of electronegativity. While chlorine here is there, you see reduction. Reduction gain positive. And negative, then I gain positive. So that is reduction. So thank you very much. And next class we are going to talk about Finko rules. And other subsequently we'll talk about Tawes rule and so on oxidation and reduction. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.